What's up? This is Snow York 318 in the evening time shot of the Cutlass. Pulled out today. Need to get some things done so up under the hood. They're riding pretty good, still sounding pretty good. Interior still on 1,000. Duals out the back. No mufflers, straight, so I got it like that. Nothing really out of place on the motor. Nothing out of place at all. Down cover gaskets and the exhaust gaskets changed too, and there's some other stuff. Get a little tune up on it. Clean as it was today. The only part on the body that's really like that when I got it. I don't know if they had a little fender bend or whatever, but that little spot right there. That little spot and this little dent right here. The man was older. This he on the porch or something. I don't know. Get it fixed though. The same paint coat and everything. All the chrome pieces at the bottom, all the emblems on there. I mean, that joint clean as can be. Interior headliner, that's what's really just immaculate. Dash, no cracks. No cracks whatsoever in the dash. As far as wheels and all of that, I don't know what I want to do on them. So y'all give me some suggestions, YouTube. Snow York 318 signing out.